Alright, so today we're starting the intake onto the Monty. First thing I want to do, make sure you unplug that battery. Want to move these out the way. Make sure this is unplugged. Unscrew these. Take off these clamps. Loosen this up and take this out. You're gonna also want to unplug this right here and unscrew that clamp, and then you want to finagle this right off. Also, you want to go to that clamp, loosen that up so that you can take this piece off of here, and then you want to loosen that so you can take this off of here, and you just want to move that out of the way. Can't talk today. Alright, now that that is removed, it's gonna have these two sensors dangling with this pipe here. And you're gonna have that off. And with that off, you wanna go ahead and pull this piece off of this piece, and then from this piece off of that piece. Simple as that. With that removed, you got all this space. You know, it's just that part sitting right there with the old filter right there. And I guess now this part is where we get to the assembling. Alright, so you want to take the sensor that was right here. You want to go ahead and put it onto this piece right here. It's not easy to do, but that's what you got to do. Alright, the next step is to take that bigger clamp, this one, right here, and connect the bigger end to this sensor, the stock piece. Put it to that end, clamp it down with the original clamp, and then get this end onto the air filter itself. Just like that. And then you want to tighten down that clamp. Alright, so now that we're here, I want to take one of these bad boys and shove it right onto that end. And then after that, you want to take this and then shove it right there. Alright, and now this is how you're supposed to put it in. Take it, you get this clamp, this coupler over here. You gotta mold that thing on. There we go. And now take this clamp, get that on there. Alright, you're gonna need a screwdriver for that. Get a screwdriver. My hands are shaky. And just, oof. Tighten that thing real good. And this is how it looks done and plugged in. The only thing that sucks is that this my car has this right here. This blocks it like that. But I mean, it's not bad though. Well, that's been it for the install. One tip is when you're doing these clamps, make sure you have the clamps in a spot where you can always tighten and loosen. Like this one is way down there. You know, you want to make sure that these are like positioned right so that way these sensors can reach and not like pull too much. But that's been it for the webinar install. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and keep a lookout for more videos.